guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Sakshi and I make fashion, dance, makeup and lifestyle videos. So please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. So guys, talking about today's video, आज मैं एक नॉर्मल अपना डे टू डे मेकअप करने वाली हूँ जिसमें फाउंडेशन नहीं होगा, कोई आई शेडो पैलेट्स नहीं होंगी, और बहुत सारा मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं होंगे. सो या लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. इट्स गोइंग टू बी रियली इजी एंड रियली क्विक. So I'll quickly tie my hair पीछे and let's get started. The first step is going to be putting primer. प्राइमर मैं यूज कर रही हूँ स्विस ब्यूटी का मेकअप प्राइमर है. आप कोई सा भी मेकअप प्राइमर यूज कर लो, मतलब इसका बस एक ही रीजन है कि it provides a layer between the makeup and your skin. So in case आपके पास मेकअप प्राइमर नहीं है तो आपको एलोवेरा जेल यूज कर लेना है. जस्ट वेट उसको लगाने के बाद थोड़ा सा आपको बस अपने चीक्स पे लगाना है जहाँ पे आपके पोर ज्यादा बड़े हैं. हो गया. लेट इट सेट फॉर लाइक 10 to 15 seconds and we'll move on to the next thing. Acha, before I forgot to tell you that before putting the primer I had already put the moisturizer. That's it. That's all I have done till now. उसके अलावा मैंने कुछ put नहीं करा है. So yeah, so moisturizer, primer, and I'm using a BB cream. You can use any BB or CC cream, whatever works for you. So whenever I don't want to do a lot of makeup, तो I just go for the BB or CC cream because उससे बहुत अच्छा finish, एक flawless सा look देता है. And you feel like आपके थोड़े बहुत उससे ब्लेमिशेस कवर हो जाते हैं, पिगमेंटेशन कवर हो जाता है और बहुत एक स्मूथ और एक तरीके का टेक्सचर देता है वो. आई एम पर्टिकुलरली यूजिंग लैक्मे 925 वेटलेस स्मूथ फाउंडेशन. इट इज नॉट अ फाउंडेशन, so it works really nicely when I don't want to put a lot of chunky makeup or या foundation अगर नहीं लगाना तो in that case. Moving on to the third one, it's going to be a compact. You can use any powder as well. इसके बदले compact is from 925 Lakme. If you don't have a compact, so in that case you can use any face powder. Just take a bit on your palm and just take a brush. With the help of brush, just put on your face and the job is done. Moving on to the next thing, this is as per choice. So either you can use a mascara or you can use a eyeliner, whatever you like. I don't like to use both in my daily life. Like either I use this liner or maybe a mascara. So I mostly go with mascara because I love it. And so I'm using this particular mascara from L'Oreal Paris. It's called Voluminous Lash Paradise. So I'm done with my mascara. Now moving on to the next one, it's going to be lipstick. Yes, a lipstick. We are going to use in two ways. First of all, I'm going to put it on my cheeks. If you have a lip tint, you can use that easily. But what I like to do is just take a bit of lipstick onto my, fingertips and just put all over. Like in this manner, just pat it down the shade and yeah, and then try to just dab it with your fingers. So this gives really rosy look to your cheeks. So in case kabhi aap zyada lipstick put on kar lete hain as a blush, so in that case you can again get back to the step number, like so in that case you can literally go back to compact and just tap it again. So जो थोड़ा सा जो tint है वो कम हो जाएगा, lower down हो जाएगा. So that will help you that ways. The second use of the lipstick is going to be lipstick. So yeah, that's it. If you really want to go a little overboard और आपको थोड़ा सा eye पे भी color चाहिए, so again take the tint in the same manner from the lipstick and just dab it over your lids, like outer corner. सिर्फ side में उसको हल्का सा tap करेंगे color को and then blend it with the help of your finger itself, उसको अंदर की तरफ. So that's what you can do. We have created a monotonous look जहाँ हमारा lipstick, blush और हमारा eyeshadow same color का है. So that ways you can do it and it always rocks. So yeah, that's all about this particular step using lipstick. Moving next to my highlighter. So yeah, I'm just going to take it with the help of my finger again and going to put a bit of on my nose because that's where light ज़्यादा पड़ती है. And then I'm going to take a bit of it again और थोड़ा सा cheeks पे. I just put on my cheekbones, on my nose bridge, थोड़ा सा forehead पे, थोड़ा सा chin पे, and I'm set. And this is the look, guys. This is what I do like on general basis. So that's about it and the look is complete. I hope you like it and you follow such steps in your daily routine. If you're late, so yeah, I follow these particular steps when I'm late, when I'm lazy, when I have to rush somewhere, or like I'm like there's no need to put a lot of makeup. And so this is my literal quick fix. I hope you liked it. Also, please like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to hit like button if you liked it, or just give me a thumbs down, whatever it is. I'll see you very soon. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.